How you doing? You doing good? We're going to do a quick little video on finding line or curve of best fit. Obviously here we have a curve of best fit, and we need to figure out which one of these things matches this this graph. Now obviously you could just plug these into your calculator and do it that way, but let's do the actual way to find the exact equation. First things first, we need to have some data to plug into the table. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to find the coordinates of each of these points. Okay? Let's see, -2, 3, -1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 2, -2. Okay? If you're having problems finding these coordinates, you need to ask somebody in the room to help you out. The next step is to graph it in the calculator. Remember that you're going to go to Stat. That's where all your stat tools are. And then you're going to hit Enter or go to number 1, which is Edit. We're going to go into these lists. If you remember to clear the list, you highlight the list name, hit clear, and then go back down. Highlight the list name, clear it, come back down. Okay, and now we're just going to enter in each of these numbers in. So we can go -5, -5, -5, -3, -4, -1, and so on and so forth. I'm going to pause the video and put these numbers in because you don't need to watch me type. Alright, so I've got all the points entered into my two tables. The very first thing we need to do is we need to make sure that plot 1 is highlighted. Okay, that you can't see your scatter plot if it's not. So we got to go turn plot 1 on by hitting Enter. See how it's highlighted now. Now we can go to Graph. And to zoom in on this, we've got a special Zoom 9, which goes to Zoom Stat. So if you forget what number it is, just look for the one that says Stat on it. Down here at Zoom 9, Enter. And it zooms in nice and pretty. And you can see that it looks just like our graph here. So to find the curve of best fit, this is obviously a curve and not a line. So we're going to go to Stat. And then we're going to hit the right arrow to go to our Calc menu. Stat, right arrow to go to Calc. And if it were a line, we'd use number 4, linreg, for linear. But instead we're going to use quadratic because this is in the shape of a quadratic. So we're going to hit the button number 5 for quadreg. Okay? And then you're going to hit Enter, 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 Enter. And I got A is equal to -0.36. B is equal to -0.96. And C is equal to 1.16. So when we put all that together, that's ax squared plus bx plus c, just like it says right here at the top. When we plug a in, we get -0.36x squared minus 0.96x plus 1.16. And if we look over here, we can see that it matches with answer choice C. Awesome. One last thing to check. Let's go to the graph and type this sucker in. So -0.36 x squared minus 0.96x. Y'all forget that x a lot of times. X squared, x, and then the last one, 1.16. And let's graph it. And does it go near all of the points? It doesn't have to go through them. Does it go near all of the points? Yes, it does. Very good. So it looks like that's the right answer. Way to go. You can always check these other three too, and you'd find out that they don't come close to going near all of these points. All right, guys. Hope we helped out. Ask somebody in the room if you still have questions. Have a good day.